Alright guys, so today's video is about how to reset your Oraimo Airbuds 4. So if you have any issue with your Oraimo Airbuds 4 and you feel like resetting it, this is how to do it. Let's get down to business. So the first thing to do here is to clear these earbuds from your Bluetooth connection of your smartphone. So how do you do that? You have to go to your Bluetooth connection of your smartphone, swipe down and go to the Bluetooth connection, and you're going to see your Oraimo Airbuds 4. If you are seeing it as 2, then delete both of them. So how are you going to do that? You go to this get icon by the side here and tap on the get icon, not on the name. Now, you are going to see some options down here. Select unpair or disconnect, or just make sure it is no longer on your Bluetooth device like this. Select unpair to confirm it and make sure it is no longer on your paired devices or connected devices. So it is now under available devices. Now the next thing to do is to switch off your Bluetooth of your smartphone and keep it down. The next step to take is to make sure your Oraimo Airbuds 4 are charged up. At least let them have some charges on them so that this reset proper is going to work for it. What you have to do now is to bring these earbuds from their charging case. You are going to tap on these guys. And you are going to tap on them 4 times and hold. So you tap on these guys 4 times and press hold. Okay, so let me show you quickly how you are going to do that. 1, 2, 3, 4 and press hold. Press hold for 10 seconds and this should reset itself. Now if you know you are not sure or you don't know if it is reset, you can put them in your ears and tap on these guys 4 times and press hold until you hear the word pairing. You're going to hear a robotic female voice says pairing. So let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you are going to hear pairing.
Pairing.
So once you hear pairing, it has been reset successfully, and that is it. Now you can take your smartphone, swipe down, go to your Bluetooth connection and search for it. As you can see, our Oraimo Airbuds 4 has popped up again. So select that and this should connect. Select pair to confirm. And as you can see, the volume button has just shown. As you can see, it has connected successfully. So that is it. So that is how to reset your Oraimo Airbuds 4. If you have any issue or difficulty, please drop it down there in the comment section and I'll reply you. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now. Peace.